Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change job status in bulk using the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the home page. Next, navigate to the menu page. After clicking on it, the menu page will open. In the search bar, type Job Status Batch Processing and click Search. From the search results, select Job Status Batch Processing. The Job Status Batch Processing page will now be displayed. On this page, select the current status of the jobs that you want to update, and then click Submit. Once submitted, all jobs matching the selected status will be displayed. Now, select the shipments whose job status you would like to change in bulk. After selecting the required shipments, click Change Job Status. A bulk job status change window will appear. Here, choose the new job status that you want to assign to the selected shipments, and then click Confirm Status Change. The system will process the request, and the job status of all selected shipments will be updated in bulk. And that's it. This is how you can change job status in bulk in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.